Final memory, I thought that I would load up the classic car bundles on this load right here. That way everybody could get the last chance to see the 61. Golly, this baby is heavy, man. It is heavy. What's so crazy about it, man, I only put 13 cars on this load here. That's all I could put. I couldn't put no more. These ones already here is heavy enough now. Maybe a little bit too heavy, but it is what it is. Get another heavy one right quick. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the 75 and the Apache 30 is gonna go in the back. Let me go ahead and put her up there on the top. Since she's the heaviest, well, I wouldn't say the heaviest, but she is pretty heavy. These are not light cars at all. But it is what it is. Part of the game, man. That's all it is. Part of the game. Yeah, and I so hate when I have to lift this heavy ass stuff up over this damn gate. Because anything could happen at that point in time. This baby here got some weight on her. Those will actually be the ones on top. Will actually be the Caprice and the 95 Impala. Last memory of the 75 and the Apache 30. Man, y'all, I'm still hurt, man, from crushing these damn cars here. I am still hurt. Seriously. I'm just more hurt behind the Buick than any damn thing, man. I mean, that Buick, wasn't too many of them damn cars even made, man. Those cars right there was pretty damn rare. I mean, shit, if I had the space or if I had somewhere to keep her, man, I would have bought her myself, y'all, for real. Man, it is not fun taking these big ass things over these damn gates like this. It is nowhere near fun. pause for a second, let him get his stuff. Y'all, there is the last of the classics, y'all. Right there, that is the last of the classics, y'all. That is all she wrote right there. That's it, man. I will get back at y'all, man. Peace.